Welcome aboard system test 316, so let's go ahead and get started. For our first notification appliance, we have a Wheelock AS2415W. This device will be doing code 3 in a set on fixed 1575 candela. Instead of a smoke detector for this test, I have a heat detector. This is a System Sensor 5601P heat detector, and this is a rate of rise detector, which means I can use it multiple times, as opposed to a fixed detector where I can only use it once. For our second notification appliance, we have a retrofit. We have a Simplex 4903-9101 strobe plate, and mounted on top of it is a Siemens UMHU-MCS-R horn strobe. That device set on 75 candela, and we'll be doing code 3. I know that this is a little bit of a weird retrofit, just like last test where I did the Truler on this. I like to do this retrofit because I have seen this retrofit a few times out in buildings, especially in my school. There are, I believe, 3 or 4 of these that are like this. The strobe plate is not active on those particular models. On my setup today, I do have the strobe plate active. Most of the time, they're replacing the alarms, so it probably was a Simplex horn on this strobe plate. Something cool is that this strobe plate actually did come from my school. So I think that is really cool. When they were taking some alarms out, I believe when they were renovating a part of the building, they need to take these out. So pretty cool. We still have the System Sensor CO1224T carbon monoxide detector. For our pull stations, we have 2 pull stations. On the left, we have a Faraday F1 GT Chevron, and on the right, we have a Cerberus Powertronics MSI 20B. Fun fact is that there used to be an addressable module on this, but I did remove it to make this a conventional pull station, not up to code, but again, this is just a demo system. We still have the System Sensor RTS2 key test switch, which we'll be testing today, and connected to that is a System Sensor D4120 duct detector, which I will also be testing today. As far as the main fire alarm control panel goes, there is a trouble on the right pull station. I have not been able to figure out why that is. I believe it might be because of the resistor, which I do have the proper resistor. I just think that it's not making enough contact with the pull station, which I hopefully will be able to correct. And there is no AC power. The reason I'm not using AC power is because these devices sound a lot better with DC power. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to pull the Cerberus Powertronics pull station. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. The alarm is silenced. For our next test today, I'm going to activate the heat detector by just using the hairdryer. So, here we go. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my Allen key, begin turning it, see the station automatically resets. There's the inside. Just gonna close it back into place and start tightening the Allen screw again. If I can get it. There we go, it's nice and tight. And now I will go into the main farm control panel and I will hit system reset. Since we haven't activated the duct detector in quite a while, I thought we'd go ahead and do that today. So, to activate it, just going to insert the key and turn to sensor 1. As usual, I do not have my duct detector mounted on actual air duct, unfortunately. I do have a picture of this same duct detector mounted on an air duct out in the wild. That was found at my local grocery store. This is just a demonstration system, so hopefully at some point I can get a piece of duct work and I can install the duct detector on it. But I do have the piping going to the back of the board as if it was a duct detector or hooked up to a real duct. So without further ado, go ahead and turn my key to sensor 1 and hit the button, and we're going to give this duct detector a test. The alarm is solved. I will now go ahead and reset the duct detector. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the button, go on to remove my key. As you can see, the duct detector automatically resets. Now, in the event that the duct detector did go into alarm and there was smoke in the air duct, to reset this, you would just insert your key and turn to whichever sensor is active. I only have sensor 1, but you would hit this button and then just remove the key. But of course that would be done after the fire department did arrive to clear the alarm. And this is just a demo system, so that's why the fire department never showed up. I will now go into main farm control panel and I will now hit system reset. Alright, to finish off today's test, I am going to pull the Faraday chevron. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. The alarm is solved. Now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my Allen key. Going to turn it. Handle automatically comes back up. There's the inside. Lock it back into place. There we go. And now I'm going to go in the main farm control panel. And I'm going to hit system reset.